Good morning. What's up? What's up, Belgium? Good morning. I am back again. What's up, Kurt? Good morning to you. I am back and I'm heading to the gym first and then get back and continue with adventure. So still morning and people are still asleep. There you go. It was a cold night, but thank God the sun is out and we're about to head on lock to the homes, carry out the day as we supposed to. That is a toilet, that one right there, and the rest of all houses, all of them Zoteni houses, right? Beautiful houses. So see you guys around, stay tuned. One thing I like about these fast food countries ni navuka zebra crossing and then nifika katikati nimesimama tilori pita, this guy ananiambia wewe vuka bro, anasimama yeye mwenyewe anaenda mimi nivuke. So bro, this is amazing. You don't get to see this every day. So right now in the gym, I'm on the road. The sun is out, feeling good. So naona chiki venye chiki unazaona yo saizi ni saa 3:15 na toa moshi kwa mdomo na jua imewaka. That means kuna baridi ingine noma sana. Right now I'm on the streets of Belgium. Then in Basic Fit. Cool. There's one hapo Basic Fit. Gym iko hapa mbele, so it is what it is. See you guys there. Chico Chap Films. Subscribe to the channel. We're on the streets of Belgium and tunafanya ile kitu unajua, we want to train like nobody's business. Alright, chikimaka na toa machozi because kuna baridi ingine noma. Damn, checky, that's a BMW and look at that. That guy has parked and left the window open. Oh shit. I am so sorry. Someone is going to rob you, bro. I am so sorry, brother. I am so sorry.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. From the gym, I got back and it was almost around lunch hour, and I thought, since I've never done it before, why not cook chapati? So first I decided to move the van from the location it was to a better one where I would get vitamin D from the not so reliable European sun. And I must tell you, driving on gravel is not as easy as it looks, especially on a manual van. So once the van was moved, I removed the utilities I would need to prepare the chapati, and that includes fire. I had this gas that was easy to use and environmentally friendly and very easy to fix. When you want to use it in less than a minute, you can fix it and you have a fire to use. So the same procedure I used to when making chapati: boil some water, then mix with cold water so it doesn't burn your hand. Then pour the wheat flour on a bowl, add some salt, stir it, then gradually add water as you knead the dough until it becomes soft. Leave it to stay for some few minutes before you can actually use it. This process takes about 5 minutes or less, depending on the amount of flour you're using. I mix it with hot water so that I'm able to kind of the punga ya chapati. I want to cook chapati in less than 30 minutes or less. So the water is hot. Yes. Then what else? Take the hot water. Double two. Then I take salt. So I'm using the Himalayan salt. Then chapati zangu, I always put some sugar, a bit of sugar. You don't have to, but I usually put so in mine. Put some sugar in it. Then that's it. Then you can stir the water. Then you can fill it. Add some cold water. there for like 2-3 minutes, finikie, then we start cooking. Amani aje? Amani again, my friend. Okay, so we are back inside, and the reason why is because we do not have a table, and we need to roll this into very small flat balls, or rather balls into chapatis. So table is clean, I've wiped it already. Then I need unga, spread it kidogo on the table. Then we take the dough, place it on the table, then you just spread it. I don't know, the weather is too cold, so I hope this chapati is not going to be harder from a crisps, but as you can see, it's really soft, so spread tu vizuri easily. The good thing about chapatis is my chapatis come out na moods, the way I am that particular day. Kama niko na mood poa, nitatokelezea fiti. Kama siko kwa moods poa, kama na hizo chapatis bro, hamtakula chapati hiyo siku mtakula crisps. Okay, once you're done with that, take a cup. Alright, a cup. I like using a cup with the file. Ndio nimesha vizuri nisitumie mafuta mingi, right? Then I need a spoon, but since you don't have one here, okay, I think I do. Take a spoon, then spread the oil around, just the required amount. Yeah, I know the required amount just by looking at it, but useke mafuta mingi kidogo tu, just required amount, and then you spread around. Make sure all angles zimeshika na mafuta. Okay, then once you're done with that, just roll the chapati round. People do it differently. Kuna wala nakata into small lines like this, lines, and then let me show you for example. Kuna wala anaweza kata hivi, yeah, tengeneze hivi round, then tengeneze into a small ball like this. Na kuna ule anaweza tengeneza hivi. Just make it, this is more simpler and faster because we are running against time. I'm on the road, so we are on the road, so we're just running against time, so we make it easier. Then you cut it into small pieces like that. So those are 2 chapatis, there's only 3 chapatis, 4 chapatis, 5 chapatis, 6 chapatis, 7 and kidogo sana. So this one I will cut it, then ongeza hapo, then maybe again it ndogo. I think this one is small, so cut some of it kidogo, add it here, and this one also add it here. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 7 chapatis, right? Then nachukua unga kidogo, yeah, press it real flat, then make it flat, all the way flat, make it flat, all the way flat. And for you to make chapatis round, kuna wala najua wanatengenezanga zigzag, triangle, si chapatis zinatokelezea tu round. So you just una gently, yeah. Unaweza na nafanya haraka sana because I'm used to it, but gently. So if you go left, make sure you do right. 2 times, go back left, 2 times, then change. Left 2 times, right 2 times. That's it. That's ready. Next one. You can do that until you finish, lakini since moto yetu iko nje, I think I'll just do this fast up and then go outside. And I find it easy doing while standing kwa sababu nikikaa chini I feel lazy, alafu I'm not even applying so much pressure. Kwa hiyo so it takes time also. But ukisimama it's much easier. It's just cause the van is too small, that's why. Siwezi fanya kama nimesimama vizuri, otherwise doing it while standing I think is the best. So there goes chapati number 4. Chapo number 5. Right, done. Najua campers wengine hapo nje wananiangalia wanashangaa, hey, this guy bana, mse anapika nini hapo? He's got the fire, he's got the gas. Kuna unga hapo wanakanda kanda. Come on, what is this guy doing, bro? Sisi ni wapishi, you know. Sisi ni wapishi, tumeleta African food. Tumeleta African food Uingereza. Alright, that's chapati number 5, 6, the last one. Then start cooking. And I think we are good to go. There you go. So 3, 6, 7 chapatis. Then we can start cooking. So all I need is oil and where I'll be putting my chapatis. I think I'll put it here. Yeah. And then I think, yeah, that's it. So let's go cook some chapati. First of all, you open the gas. Then once it's open, then open the fire. Then ignite it here. It's on. Then put it on your pan. Now we are ready to go. I am cooking chapati by the campsite in Belgium, somewhere in Belgium. I think this place is called no, it's not Liege. It's around the wall or something. Forgotten the name. But we are doing fine. We are doing fine. Chanalete karibu mjione. So first of all, what I do is nachoma chapati kwanza. So let it burn, then mafuta niteka baadaye, but for now just let it burn peke yake, then I'll add more tukiendelea. Then you get it. I think this is one of the easiest way to kupika chapati. Una warm, then you just like burn them kidogo over and over, like all the chapatis, and then once you're done, unaanza kupika na mafuta, and that's how I get to use mafuta kidogo sana while cooking chapos. Mafuta ya chapati yangu hainanga mafuta mingi, very mafuta kidogo sana. Hata ukifinyilia hivi hauwezi pata mafuta. John, just go. Come on, right. I think never done that. Kuja hapa. Done that. There you go. I mean, they call me chaps for a reason, eh? You know your chaps, Chico Chaps films. The reason why they call me chaps is because I'm very good at doing cooking chapati. Nilijifunza growing up, you know, seen it from my mom, and then also seen it from other people, but sana sana from my mom, and then I just started helping cooking myself. Then nikakuja nikakuwa pro. That's why I know I can cook a whole packet of flour with chapati in just 30 minutes. Kukanda na kupika. Right? We are almost there. Almost. And we are done. That's it. Thank you. Alright, so there you go. Check this out. Kifikiri chapati hazijaiva, angalia hizo chapati. Niambie chapati ni inafaa ifanane kama chui ama tiger ama cheetah, eh? Tell me those chapatis are not ready. Angalia chapati. And I don't think you need a lot of facilities kupika chapati, you know. All you need is basics: pan, unga, mafuta, and a place to roll, rolling pin, kijiko, and I think sufuria. That's it. That's what you need to cook chapati, and it is what it is. You don't need a house. You don't need a covered place. As you can make campsites. And I am done cooking chapati. So chapati lazima tukuje from Kenya to the world. I hope you guys enjoyed the chapati, the video, and please like if you liked the video. Na tuonane to the next video kama kawaida. It is a journey Kenya to the world. On to the next one. Peace.